Hello everybody. Thank you for enrolling into this course. I am Aditi Agarwal and I welcome you to Applying Scrum. For those who don't know me, I'm a SAFe program consultant and a certified Scrum Master. I have been practicing and coaching Scrum to different teams in my organization. I've also written a few books on Agile and Lean methodologies that are doing quite well.
At the end of this course, you will be able to embrace Agile principles and develop an Agile mindset. You will learn how to define personas, have a product vision, create a product roadmap, write good user stories, learn the user story mapping exercise, and develop your product backlog. You will learn everything you need to know about Scrum ceremonies. You will also learn how to read different Agile metrics, such as sprint burn down, sprint burn up, velocity chart, cumulative flow diagram, say-do ratio, and so on. You will also be able to visualize different data patterns and derive meaningful insights. That said, you will be able to effectively apply the Agile Scrum framework at work. This course will not cover Scrum fundamentals. So if you are new to Scrum, I recommend that you take a Scrum fundamentals course or read my book, The Basics of Scrum, first. Let's see how this course is structured. The first section comprises of lectures on the Agile Manifesto and 12 Agile principles, followed by an exercise to assess your team's Agile maturity. The second section covers lectures on getting started with your first sprint, personas, product vision, product roadmap, and creating a product backlog, followed by a short quiz with multiple choice questions. The third section covers lectures on Scrum ceremonies, such as backlog refinement, sprint planning, daily stand-up, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. Section 4 covers lectures on Scrum metrics, such as sprint burn down, sprint burn up, release burn down, release burn up, velocity chart, predictability ratio, cumulative flow diagram, escape metrics, and more. This section ends with a short quiz with multiple choice questions. Section 5 covers the course quiz and the summary. Who should listen to this course? This course is specifically designed for those who understand the basics of the Scrum framework or have already attained a Scrum certification but are struggling to apply the framework. This course will set a strong foundation for release train engineers or Scrum Masters who facilitate Scrum ceremonies, publish charts, and drive continuous improvements. If you are a product manager or a product owner who needs to embrace the customer-first approach, define personas, create a product vision, or develop a product backlog, then you will like this course. If you want to learn everything on Agile metrics or simply become an expert on Scrum, then this course is for you. Let's get started. Set aside 5 to 10 minutes each day or complete the entire course in one day. It's entirely up to you. I will end with this quote: develop a passion for learning. If you do, you will never cease to grow. Thank you.